Hey, I'm Mike Sadler, Speed and Shine TV, and we are live in the staging lanes at the Barrett-Jackson auction. And it's pretty cool here. Look at, they're getting ready to clean the car up to get this Impala SS out on the auction block so they can auction that off. Let's look inside, see how it looks. That's pretty sweet. It's convertible. Let's look under the hood here, see what it looks like. 396, 325 horsepower. Wow, quite a few really nice cars here. There's a Dodge 67 Coronet. Getting ready to go, lot 171, got a 383 in it. Let's look inside. Pretty nice cars going through here. It's amazing how much fun you can have just being at an auction. Whether you gonna buy or sell a car doesn't really matter, because you can just hang out and enjoy the atmosphere, the fun. It's like a big party. It's really cool. Yeah, even a camper going through. Let's look inside this. Look at that. It's going to be going across the block here. That's pretty cool. That's something. We got a lot of, cool stuff going on out here. I think there's going to be a concert later, and they got this truck right here that's going to auction off. Let's look inside the back of it here. Well, I guess not. It's going out there right now. That's pretty cool. It is going. All right. A lot of fun here at the Barrett-Jackson auction in Arizona. Be sure to like, share, follow, all those things. Until next time.